post jobs to multiple paid job boards from inside Tracker RMS. To get to that spot, I will be clicking on website posting to get to my job board posting area. Since Tracker RMS is fully customizable, your job board posting section might be in a different tab or in a different area. The website posting tab might be called something else, so please do keep that in mind. Also, our job board posting is normally for our premium clients only. If it is something that you're interested in though, please do reach out to your client success manager and they will be more than happy to help you get that integrated into Tracker. The last thing to keep in mind is the job board posting section is for paid job boards that you already have contracts established with. So if this is something that you would like to use, please reach out to the specific job boards you would like to use and establish a contract. Now that we've gotten that out of the way, let's go ahead and post right out to multiple job boards. So once I'm in the section of my job board posting, I'm going to go to the right and click on Job Board Posting menu. I'll then click on Post Job. Once I get there, here we'll see all the job boards that I have set up. You'll have your paid job boards at the top, any social media that you would like to add in, and then once you do have paid job boards, they do give you an option for free destinations as well. We'll go ahead and click on the job boards that we would like to post to right now, and you'll see they're turning gray. I'll click some free ones as well. And then I'm going to scroll up to the top and click on Next. Now that I've gotten to this section, I'm going to fill out the job details. The job reference should always be your job number. So this is job number 1668. So I'm going to go ahead and type in here 1668. I'll then go down to the job title and fill out the title. Let's call this Java Developer. We'll then choose the location. And you do have to click in the drop-down menu the actual area here for Encinitas. I'll then also choose my zip code, and I'll have to choose that from the drop-down menu as well. I'll then fill out the type of employment. We'll call this a contract job. It will be full-time. The primary industry has already been filled out for us by IT and Internet, and that was when I put in here Java Developer, it asked me if it was IT. I can choose a secondary industry if I would like. Let's just leave it at IT and Internet for now. Next, we're going to come to the salary information. Now, you do have to fill this out, but the nice thing is you can hide the salary if it's not something you would like to be shown to candidates. So I'm going to go ahead and type in my numbers here. Oops. And then it's going to say per, and we'll say annuum for this. If there's any benefits, you can put them in here. And if for some reason there's a replacement salary or anything along with it, you can put in some details here. I'm going to say to hide this salary, so I will click on yes. If you don't want to hide it, you can click on no. I now need to fill out the job description, but since I've already filled it out at the top here, I'm going to come to the top and go to the last button all the way over to the right. When you hover over it, it's called source code. When I click there, the source code will come up, and I am going to highlight and copy all of this. Now, the reason that I do this is the source code has built in all the coding for bolds, my spacing, as well as any bullet points that I might have put in. So instead of having to reformat it, I'm going to add it in exactly as it appears up in my job description. Now, you are free to type in this area if you would like, if you do not want to copy what was done in the job description at the top there. In order to put in that source code, in this middle section here, you'll click on HTML. And in this section here, you're going to paste in that code we copied from above. You're going to go ahead and hit update. And you'll see here that you'll have your bolds, your spacing, and all the bullet points that you had up at the top here. We'll then scroll down and you have to put your company name in. You can put the job address in if you would like, but that is not a necessity. We can just put in where it is located in the city. The skills or keywords have been filled out for us. The other information is going to be the postal code, so we can type in that. And then any hashtags. So we can say hashtag developer, hashtag Java. And now we're going to get to job board specific information. So these are questions that you would find exactly on those job boards that you do have to fill out. It is mandatory. So job sector 1, we can say IT. In the country code, we're going to want to find United States. Contract type, we're going to call that temporary. And work from home for this particular one is a no. For career builder, we'll fill this out here. Information technology as the industry. And then job type, let's see if we can find IT. If not, we can find something else along the same lines, depending on what the job is. So here, we can see from here, we can pick out computer software. And that would help us along the way here. For LinkedIn, we can put the experience level that we would like. So let's call it mid-senior level. And then you're going to have the LinkedIn industry. And here, just as it says, you must select at least one, but you can have up to 3. Let's call this information technology and services. And then let's pick out the LinkedIn job function. We can say it's information technology again. We'll then also click on the experience for tech fetch and say we want 5 to 7 years. Now, when we're going down to the end here, we have 2 different options. We can click on next and post this immediately or send them out immediately, or we can decide to send this in the future. If for any reason you are maybe working on this ahead of time and you don't want to send it out to the job boards right away, you can click on post in future. Click in the first one here, and it will bring up a calendar for you. And you can say, I would like to post this on Tuesday the 4th at 3:30 a.m. That will mean that this job will be sent out to these job boards at that specific time without you having to do anything else. But if you would like to post them out immediately, let's go ahead and uncheck post in future and click on next. Looks like I might need to fill out some different information here. So for the industry, it didn't like what I had, so let's do a different one here. And for my hashtag, it says it will be trimmed to 16 characters, and that's okay. So let's go ahead and hit next. It says I'm almost finished, so I will click on finish. And now we will see that this job is marked for delivery to all of these different job boards here. I can go back and click on view advert if I would like. This would show me the advert itself that we've sent out. And then at the top here, you will see all the job boards it did go to.